Hey there, this is Gia. Welcome back. After we successfully debugged our flow, we do need to launch it from a button, and this button will be called locked install date. I have configured it previously, and we're going to set it up via edit object. We're going to go to the case object, edit object, and we're going to 1 second here, still loading. Via in the case object, we're going to click buttons, links, and actions, and we're going to click new action. I have already configured that, and I have mine is it's called lock installation date. Our lock installation date action will be launched from a flow, and here is the flow name we have configured, the screen flow installation date entry. We do have to add it to the case page layout. We're going to go to case layout, and we're going to drag the lock installation date button to via mobile lightning actions. We're going to drag it so it appears right here, and we're simply going to save. Next, for our business use case, the manager would like to be able to see to track installations, which is currently done via spreadsheets. We can implement Salesforce report for these purposes, and here I have created an installation report which is using cases. I'm just going to go to edit report. Here we are in the installation report, and I have filtered by all cases with record type installation, and I have included the subject, the time opened, the installation date, and I have also grouped by status and case owner. If we simply save and run the report, we're going to see the number of our installation cases. The manager can see the priority of the cases, their status is if it's new or it's working, the schedule date and installation date. And we're going to simply test if our report updates when a new case has been created. In an opportunity record, I'm simply going to move the status to closed one, and we should have a new case created. Back in the report, if currently the total records is 18, if I click the refresh button, it will update to 19. Lastly, I'm going to create a list view. I have created a high priority installation list view, and I have filtered here by case owner, case owner and record type. the record type equals